Welcome to another coding interview problem breakdown. Today, we are tackling a classic linked list problem, finding the middle node using the fast and slow pointer technique. Before we dive in, let's quickly recall what a linked list is. Unlike arrays, linked list elements are not stored next to each other in memory. Each element, called a node, contains data and a pointer that tells us where the next node is located. Here is our goal. We are given a singly linked list, and we need to return the node that sits exactly in the middle. If the list has 5 nodes, we want the third one. It sounds simple, but the structure of a linked list makes it interesting. A common first thought is to count the nodes. You might traverse the entire list to find the length. Say L, then you traverse again to the node at position L divided by 2. While this works, it requires 2 passes over the data. In an interview, we can do better. Enter the fast and slow pointer technique. We use 2 pointers simultaneously. The slow pointer moves 1 step at a time, while the fast pointer moves 2 steps at a time. This simple difference in speed is the key to solving the problem in a single pass. Think of it like a race on a track. If one runner is twice as fast as the other, when the fast runner crosses the finish line, the slow runner will be exactly at the halfway mark. This is exactly how our pointers behave. Let's walk through an example. We start with a list of 5 nodes. Both our slow and fast pointers begin at the head of the list, pointing to node 1. In the first iteration, the slow pointer moves 1 step to node 2. The fast pointer moves 2 steps, landing on node 3. They are already separating. We continue. Slow moves to node 3. Fast moves 2 steps, landing on node 5. Now the fast pointer is at the last node, and it cannot move 2 more steps. This means we are done. The slow pointer is at node 3, which is our middle. What if the list has an even number of nodes, like 6? The fast pointer will eventually point to null, or the end of the list. When this happens, the slow pointer will be at the second of the 2 middle nodes. This handles both odd and even lengths gracefully. Let's analyze the efficiency. The time complexity is O of n because we traverse the list essentially once. The space complexity is O of 1 because we only use 2 pointers regardless of how large the list becomes. This is optimal. Here is the code structure. We initialize slow and fast at the head. We loop as long as fast and fast next are not null. Inside the loop, slow moves once, fast moves twice. When the loop breaks, we simply return the slow pointer. It's concise and elegant.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.